Hello, good afternoon. My name is Melfred Mitchell. I am Dene and I am Betani and I'm born for Tlaxche. My Betani clan is the folding arm people and I am born for the red bottom people in the Navajo Nation. And I am currently in the welding program. I don't see myself in just settling in one place. There's a lot of things I want to do with my life. And welding is a big part of it because I like to travel. But after this, what I really want to do with my life is to help people any way I can. And welding is a good way because it has money involved in it. And you make a lot of money through it. And if it wasn't to Weld Tech here, I probably wouldn't have been in school. The staff here is very helpful, resourceful. Any free advantages they can give me, they can give me. And I like that, and I'm grateful for it. If it wasn't for their trust, I guess I have in them, I wouldn't be here.
Mel is the kind of person that reminds you that superheroes are real. I believe there's nothing that he can't do. But what's even more remarkable is he believes that in himself.
While I was still in the recovery program and going to school here, I still dealt with learning how to be mentally focused, to have that can-do attitude, I guess. It takes time, but repetition and consistency is a big key here. It's just getting the right weld is kind of hard. Yeah. It's not that easy to do. I think every day I wake up is a proud moment. You know, I've been in addiction for almost 10 years. And if you asked me how I saw my life 10 years ago, I wouldn't have seen it the way I see it now. I thought from the beginning this was the end when I was in my addiction. You know, I'd wake up on the sidewalks by myself. So most of the time for 10 years I've been on my own, just living on the streets, just a bag full of clothes. And the proudest moment was when I got sober. And that was like a year and a half ago. And through then it's been a journey to overcome all those challenges. This is something that I enjoy. I have a job now in the welding and it doesn't feel like a job because it just feels like I'm at school because it comes to me easy now. And it's been tough to get up and do the things you want to do in a better way than your addiction. But when you get opportunities like this in your life, it's